Two top names in cybersecurity go head-to-head. Norton versus McAfee. Which one really delivers? On the left, Norton, with advanced security and privacy features. And on the right, McAfee, offering easy, multi-device protection for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what truly matters. Each category gets points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which one comes out on top. The results for 2025 might surprise you.
All right, before we dive in, let's map out exactly what we're comparing today. We've got malware protection, performance and speed, security and privacy features, price and value, customer support, and of course, cross-platform usability. It's a full-on battle across all the stuff that actually makes a difference in your digital life. So, first up, malware protection. Starting with Norton, this one's honestly impressive. 100% detection rates, which is no joke. And their scans finish faster, so you're not stuck waiting around. It doesn't slow your laptop to a crawl either, which, thank you. The only weird thing is you gotta do a manual scan if you plug in a USB drive. Kind of old school, but whatever. Now, McAfee also nails a perfect 100% rate. Solid. And they're big on blocking suspicious downloads and keeping those ransomware threats at bay. Love that. But, and it's a big but, their full scan is a bit of a drag. Takes longer and kind of hogs your system in the process. So, for malware, Norton just edges ahead because it feels less heavy, you know? Next up, performance and speed. So, with Norton, you're looking at fast, full system scans. Like, genuinely, it gets the job done without trashing your computer's performance. What more could you ask for? There are some reports of false positives popping up, but let's be real, that's pretty typical these days. Now, flipping to McAfee, they do blitz through those quick scans, like 2 minutes and done, which is cool. Their false positives are slightly lower, which is always nice, but their full scans, oof, they take about an hour, and yeah, you'll feel your computer struggle a bit. So, Norton keeps things running smoother overall. Now, on to the security and privacy features. Norton's stacking the deck. AI scam detection, an encrypted browser, which, is actually useful, not just fluff. Then password manager, VPN, wallpaper, webcam protection. The list just keeps going. Only catch, some features are a bit buried in the menus, and you might need to keep auto-renewal on for a few perks. For McAfee, you've got some clever stuff, too, like AI scam protection and a neat social privacy manager for all you social media scrollers, plus firewall, file shredder, VPN, and even multi-user parental controls for the family crowd. Downside, a lot of their best identity theft stuff is locked away in pricier plans, and auto-renewal is needed for remote cleaning. It's honestly super close. Both have you covered, but just in different ways. So in this category, it's really a tie. Oh, and here's something cool I found out while researching this. Between them, Norton and McAfee are actually protecting over 800 million devices worldwide. Like, imagine that, 800 million. That's basically most of the planet using one or the other. All right, now for the question that hits the wallet. Price and value. Norton is starting at just $29.99 per year, with a massive 60-day money-back guarantee. But their best deals? Yeah, mostly on the deluxe plan. Still, you get some serious bang for your buck. McAfee's got a sharp 66% off promo that's pretty tempting, and their multi-user plans are handy if you want to cover the whole family. Only thing is, their basic plan will start you at $39.99, and the refund period is only 30 days. So, Norton definitely gives you more value, especially for individuals or smaller households. Now, let's talk customer support, because nobody wants to be stuck waiting forever, right? With Norton, support is okay. It's, not terrible, but you'll see people complaining about how long it takes to get real help. Now, McAfee really shines here. Better ratings, lots of handy guides, plus a super friendly setup if you're not into tech stuff. The only snag, if you hit a really tough problem, you may need to wait for it to get escalated. So, yeah, McAfee takes the crown for support. Last, but definitely not least, cross-platform and usability. Norton covers all the main platforms: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Chrome OS, you name it. But, fair warning, some of their recent interface updates have thrown people for a loop. McAfee's interface, on the other hand, is a breeze. Super user-friendly, works great across all your devices, and just makes the whole setup painless. Some settings are a little buried, but overall, McAfee really nails the usability piece. So if you look at all our comparison points side by side, Norton pretty much dominates on security, performance, and price, while McAfee stands out for support and for making life easier if you're protecting a family or a bunch of devices. The radar chart, honestly, you'd see Norton ahead across more categories, but McAfee holding its own in a couple of key places. All right, so here's my take. Norton's the go-to if you want top-notch security, a smooth experience, and that extra peace of mind, all at a slightly better price. McAfee, though, it's a lifesaver if you need that hand-holding support, or if you're tech-averse or managing a big crew. Ultimately, you can't really go wrong. But for most people in 2025, Norton's just got that extra edge. So yeah, compare wisely. Your digital safety seriously matters these days. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, stick around for more no-nonsense tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.